up to YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes.
Love you too.
This is what comes in the Ktuner box. So open her up, Vanna White.
OBD2 cable.
Yeah.
USB cable. The mounting bracket on the back, but it doesn't come with the
Any type of mounting for it.
Yeah.
I thought it came with some type of mounting gear here, but it does not.
And then you got your
Mac Daddy himself. Nice, fancy.
on the side, and that's pretty much
You got
it.
your little screen. I'm gonna have to get something so I can mount it.
Not as appealing looking, but
Yeah, it's not the greatest looking thing. You think it would be like a little more updated. Kind of looks like a Game Gear from like the 1990s, right?
it's like a Game Boy.
We're going to plug the OBD2 reader underneath here, so I'm going to do that in a second. Alex will grab the camera, and I gotta find it. It's easily enough right here. I'm slow today.
It's convenient.
Conveniently.
That is convenient there.
Convenient. I almost phantom. So it's actually right here by your clutch pedal. Plug her in.
Okay, Tony.
All right, pretty cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Sick.
Yes, would you like to lock this to the ECU? We're gonna hit yes.
The unit has been locked. Okay. Oh, cool.
Okay, so now we got some readings. Now, there we go. All right.
Oh, I take it back. This looks pretty cool. It's starting to look a little cool. Okay. Okay, Andy. There's a lot of stuff in this.
Yeah. So it's
look at that.
nice.
You can pick your gauges.
That one looks pretty cool. Nice black and red gauges.
Damn. That's alright.
So now let's actually get a tune on here. So we got the Ktuner, and that's all great and fine and dandy, but I don't have a Windows computer, and I need a Windows computer to upload maps onto the Ktuner itself. So we're gonna pass by Alex's house, which he has a Windows computer, and we're gonna do that, and that's what we're gonna see in the next clip. Just wanted to let you guys know you need a Windows computer. You might be able to hack a Mac to make it work, but I don't want to do that too much work. We're gonna go over at Alex's house and get his Windows computer. So what'd you just do?
You just download the software, the Ktuner software, and then it just installs everything on its own.
There you go.
And it should have the files on there too, so we'll see.
The application has installed. It's kind of hard to see because the reflection is horrible. Let's see if we can turn. Yeah, I can't see nothing. Whatever, guys. It's okay. So now you basically have to put your email, name, and password and connect the Ktuner, which we just did. We have hit update, and it's saying it's exchanging data. So I'm assuming that is putting the maps onto the Ktuner so that we can put the maps onto the car. And hopefully it gave us all the maps that we need. Right now, the car's completely stock.
Close this. Oh, there we go.
And there we go.
Oh, okay.
Now you guys
so
can
just
see.
updating the information of your profile, I guess.
You have to connect it to your car, which is on the left side, underneath, near your clutch pedal. And now we're gonna lock it to the car. We're gonna say okay, and now we gotta look for some maps. It's preparing the ECU, doing all that fun stuff.
Yeah, so you go to File, when you open it, and you go to New Tune, and then you should have your Civic here, which is this one right here, Factory, Manual, Base Calibration. Next. Okay. And then now you got your starter 19.5, starter dual factory. 19.5, so a comfort I'm assuming, normal, to 23 PSI, but it needs to be 91 plus octane in sport, so 23 PSI in sport.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll be putting 94 in this car anyway, so I'm not too concerned. So we're gonna go the 19.5 to 23, which is your last option here.
So you have the dual.
Yes, the dual. Yeah, so we basically selected two, now we're uploading it to the Ktuner.
To upload the base code, yes.
You're gonna hit yes, and now flash now to directly to the ECU.
Yes.
Yep, you're gonna hit yes.
Preparing.
And now I believe it's what it's doing. It's gonna put this tune on the computer to the Ktuner itself.
No, it's uploading right to the car.
Right to the car. Oh, so the Ktuner is, I guess, afterwards. So I guess that's when you're gonna monitor all your gauges and do all that type of stuff. And this is going to take a little while for us anyway, most likely. As you guys can see, we're uploading it. It's showing you all the air fuels between every gear and RPM there, which is cool. And we're going to let this load, and then we're going to come back to you, and we'll see. All right, we've had some issues. Oh, my voice.
Oh.
Chlem. We've had some issues, but it's been hopefully figured out. So, Alex, let's describe what happened.
Basically, you can't have them both, well, you could have them both plugged in, but the way it worked was we just plugged it in, uploaded the map into it, and then came back in the car, plugged it in, and then the flash was there.
Yeah.
And then basically just click on the tune that you uploaded on there, and then now it's doing its thing here.
Because before, we would plug it in and we'd look for our maps, and basically it would say error, error, error when we had both of them plugged in into the car and plugged into the Ktuner to the computer. So we've been trying 100 times. Then we finally tried going into the house. We plugged in the Ktuner and did everything separately, and we basically uploaded the base map from the car to the Ktuner, then Ktuner to the computer, as confusing as this is, then the computer, load the base map, and bring it back to the car. And for some reason that worked before having everything plugged in at the same time, which works for most people, didn't work for us.
But we realized that they have issues with Windows Vista. So...
Yes, and that's what we're running on, of course.
Anyways, we ended up getting the map on the Ktuner, and now it's being uploaded as we speak.
So as you can see, you're gonna have all these different type of messages, you know, all these problem messages and all that. And after this, it takes about 60 seconds. That's what I've been told, about a minute to 2 minutes, and it should be uploaded, and then we're gonna go for another drive, and you're going to see how that is. So the flash has worked. Time to turn on the car, and let's see how she feels. The car doesn't even have 400 kilometers yet, and it's flashed. Yeah, so the screen on the Ktuner is going to prompt you to turn off the car and turn it back on, and now it should be up and running. Alex is going to hold the camera, and let's see how this feels. The tune should be on, and the tune we did was the 19.5 in comfort and the 23 in sport mode. So we're going to put in sport mode, obviously, because yeah, one more boost. So it feels okay. Nothing. I'm just going to let it kind of do its thing a little bit. Once we get into Mexico, we'll give it a pull. I have the boost gauge on now, so we can monitor how much boost we're pushing. Car feels I can feel a little peppier already. Oh yeah. This is gonna be sick. Let's go. I want a first gear. Oh, traction control off. Even though traction control really doesn't turn off properly. All right guys, first gear, 4,000. Car feels pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It feels a lot peppier. The car still barely has any kilometers. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, oh, should let the car break in, let the car break in. I know, I thought about it too, not gonna lie. So, but it's a lot peppier than it was, that's for sure. And that's not, that's just for a reflash. So that's pretty cool. Second gear. Oh yeah. Big difference, Jesus. Oh yeah. Just from a reflash, that second gear pulls a lot harder than it was before. Third gear felt nice too, but second gear is really where you feel it. Hello SI, no SI, say hi around here. I wish it was like that. That's one thing I miss about the Subaru Wave. No one does the SI high. Oh, the throttle response is so much nicer. Like downshifting, that's a big difference. Second gear again. Oh yeah, second gear pulls nice. Second gear pulls a lot nicer. Throttle response is a lot better. Still a little laggy, but nowhere near as bad as it was before. And we got traffic people parked on the side of the road in Mexico. Oh my god, finally. I hated the throttle leg on this car. Hated it. Low fuel. Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that's it. There you go.
There you go.
That's what happens when you tune.
That's it.
No more gas mileage.
But the throttle response is a lot better. I promise you that. If that's something you guys really hate about the car, the throttle response, and even second gear just feels a lot nicer now. Shit. The car just pulls a lot like, oh, where's this guy going? You're getting close to me, buddy. The car pulls a lot nicer now, that's for sure, 100%. Let's pull back into Canada here.
This guy pulled back into Canada.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do it once, do it right. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Nothing's easy.
Eevee?
Huh?
Nothing's Eevee.
What? I can't speak today. Nothing's easy for us. Nothing. Even on a goddamn new car.